Lorna, and today I have some cornstarch. So this particular kind is Kingsford. Cornstarch is a whole bunch of different kinds. So what we're going to do today is make a little mountain of cornstarch. So has a stay fresh lid. Alright, so this I'm going to make into a little mountain. There we go. I think that's a good sized mountain. We have a few mountains around here. One is called Mount Tamalpais. We have one called Mount Baldy because on the top there's no trees at all. Kind of looks bald. I think we used to call it Bald Mountain, but now it's Mount Baldy. And this, I made some, I don't know if you can see in there, some blue water. I made it with a little bit of watercolors. I just got some watercolor paint and I used a paintbrush to get the watercolor. And I'm going to pour it into this spray bottle. Oops. I'm going to spill a little. That's okay. I was ready for that. I have a little towel here ready. Catch it. I notice I'm pouring with my left hand. I'm actually not left-handed. That's kind of goofy. There we go. Then, towel ready. This is a spray bottle. So some of them spray like this. This one sprays with your finger. I use like my pointer finger. And let's see if this works. Now as it goes, it may start noticing change. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks almost like an ice up in the Arctic, maybe an iceberg. It's a little bit blue, but a different color would be fun too. See if I go on this side. Now, I would never throw out this cornstarch because there's other things you can do with the cornstarch after you put your paint on it. I think I might need a little bit more paint. So it isn't as dark as I thought. Grab a little bit more. You can see it's pretty blue, but it's not turning out very blue on there. Maybe I should use a little purple. Make it a little darker. Maybe some black. I have a bunch of different colors here. It's brown. Now, part of doing this is being a scientist, and scientists all over the globe have been practicing and trying things for many years, and they see how things work. Let's try this color. I think that's a little bit of, I'm trying to pour with my left hand again. Now one of the fun things is if you turn it a little bit, or if you disturb the mountain, we'll get a new area that has not been, use this, not been done yet. Okay. Here we go. Let's try this. This might be a little darker, we'll check. Very much. It needs a little red. Ooh, that looks almost gray. I don't know if you can see that where you're in your vantage point. This part is kind of blue, and this part is still white. So we can turn to that side. Add a little bit of red. Hard to tell which one's red. Huh. Yeah. Red might be missing. That's funny. Alright. What we're doing is just making the water a little bit darker. You might have some watercolors, bottles. There's bottles of watercolor where it's liquid watercolor. You might have food coloring. That would work great. Food coloring. Just add a little food coloring to your water. You don't need to use food coloring straight. It's very strong food coloring. You usually only need a drip in your water. There we go. Okay. How will this turn out? Purple hasn't changed it too much. Okay. Ooh, it's getting dark gray. I call this playing with cornstarch. Now save this, because when you save the cornstarch, you can make oobleck. That's the next step. We'll do that tomorrow. All right, have fun.